How to create a loading bar. To begin, I just created a new project and I want to create a green loading bar. Click on the New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Black Window and click OK. Now drag it into your timeline to create a new sequence from it. Now select the Rectangle tool and create a new rectangle in the Preview window. Then go to Effect Controls and expand the shape, and click on the Fill Color and set the color to a color you want. Now hold down the Alt key and drag the rectangle to the track above to create a duplicate from it. With the duplicate selected, go to Effect Controls and uncheck the Fill and check the Stroke and increase the stroke width. Now go to Effects panel and search for Crop. Drag and drop Crop effect into your middle track. With your middle track selected, go to Effect Controls. Move the playhead at the start, and increase the right value under Crop effect until you can't see any of the rectangle anymore, and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end and increase right value until the rectangle fully appears. This will create the second keyframe. Move the second keyframe closer to the first keyframe to increase the speed of the animation. Now let's add a loading text. First, click anywhere empty in timeline, then select the Type tool and click in Preview and type your text. Then with Selection tool, drag the text to the middle of loading bar. Now go to Effect Controls panel and expand the text and change the properties according to your liking. Move the playhead at the start, and set opacity of the text to 0 and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead a little forward and set opacity to 100 to create the second keyframe. Select these two keyframes and hold down the Alt key and drag them a little bit forward to copy them as many times as you want. Now our loading bar with text animation is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.